How to remove TurboTax Live Premium. So first you want to go to TurboTax website and sign into your account. Now from the left side panel, you want to expand the switch product category, and then you want to click on downgrade. Now you want to select remove expert help, and then you want to press continue and then click on remove expert help. And remember that you can only remove the live or expert assist only if you haven't used the TurboTax expert feature. And if you started directly in Live Premium or you do not see the downgrade option, you will need to basically click on clear and start over, which is the bottom. And then you will need to confirm I want to clear my tax data. And this will clear everything and start over as long as you have not paid yet. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.